Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching D365 Notes. Today we will be covering a feature of D365 where you can import credit card transaction for expense incurred by employee. So you can import that transaction using an Excel. So let's see how it works in D365. So first we will be covering about setup part of that feature. Then we can see the process. So let's see. For the setting up credit card, you need to go to Human Resource Management and Employee. Click on Employee. System will redirect you to the employee active employee page. So here, filter your employee. For that, you want to set up a credit card. So select this employee. Now click on Expense in Action pane, and here you will see credit cards. Click on credit cards. Now you will see existing credit card mapped on this employees. Sorry, on this employee. So after that, you have to create a new credit card for this employee. Before that, you have to see how to create credit card type and method of payment. So I have covered in my existing videos. I can give you the link for that, how to create method of payment. So I will show you. Just mention the credit card method of payment name and description. If you want, you can mention. Then expense owner, you can mention company and vendor, and then offset account type will be a, a credit card vendor you can create in system. So this is the setup part of payment method in expense management. So let me go back. How to define this card type? So you can right click and view details here itself, and let me show you. You can just click on new and right click and view details. You can do like this as well. So if you want to set up some other also, you can set up. So you can just click and set the name. And for me, like a Mastercard and Visa card and Amex card is more than enough. So you can set up like this. Now here you have to give your card ID, means a unique ID. From that card can be differentiated. So I will give some random ID. Let me give the credit card, and it will be the Mastercard. So whatever card ID you give, it will take only 4 digits. So just keep this thing in mind. So I will show you again. I will create one more card. So here let's take 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and let me take credit card as a payment method and Mastercard as a card type. So if I save, this one will be removed, and last 4 digit of the credit card will remain. So if you see, this is how system is working for the credit card creation. Now we have created the credit card on employee. Now let's see how to import a credit card transaction. So for importing credit card transaction, you have to go to expense management, periodic task, and credit card transactions. Under the credit card transaction form, you will see import transaction. So click on import transaction. System will redirect you to the new form where you can define your credit card job ID, job details, and you can import that. Before importing that, I will show you the Excel what I have prepared. So let's see how to create an Excel sheet for import transaction. So I have created this sheet. Let me edit the date. Okay, and amount in currency, and let me update the unique ID for this. So let's save this. So this is the transaction date, and here we have defined amount in currency, and this is the card number which I have already defined. This is the card type AMX, and transaction unique ID which is given in your uh, credit card transaction. So let's change at this, and this is your currency. Okay, these are the fields you need to keep in mind. Make sure you have mentioned the correct credit card type, because sometime what happen is your card number is ending with same numbers. So in that case system will not able to differentiate, and it will not take any card for import, so you have to mention your credit card type. So let me save this file. Okay, and let me mention this 250, sorry 150. Let me save this, and my file name is cc import, and I will import this file. So for importing you have to click on import transaction. Okay, so I will mention here cc01, source data will be Excel. So in my case I have prepared the file in Excel, I'm using that Excel. If you have CSV you can use that, or any other format you want to use, you can use if you have better idea in source data format. So I will upload that file, and I will import now, because I have only one record. If you have multiple record you can click on import batch, so it will run in the batch. So import now. Now it is succeeded. If you see view staging, it got succeeded, and unique ID, and you can see 150 transaction amount. So let's go back, and if I refresh this, this is my transaction which I have uploaded. And if you see here in the transaction date also, you can see this is the transaction date, and this is my amount in currency, and this is my card number. So this got uploaded. If you want to tag your expense category from here, you can also tag from here, but I will not tag from here. I need to create this expense report and attach this expense specifically to my expense report. So let's see how to do that. So you have to go to expense management, my expenses, and expense report. Click on new, and if you have any purpose or and all, you can select that, but I will not select. Click OK. Here you will see add unattached expenses. So click on this. Here you will see your transaction as 150 USD is available. So you can select this and click on add. Here by default it is selected as a meal expense category. You can change your expense category to fuel, flight, hotel, anything, whatever as per your requirement. So this is how you can attach a credit card transaction to the expense report in D365. So after that you can submit the expense report, and you can process the expense report further. But I will not cover that topic because I have already covered how to process an expense report in my existing videos, and like you can watch that video in my that playlist I have created for expense management. So you can go through that and you can attach that. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one with the more interesting topic. If you have any topic in your mind, you can comment on the videos. So I will try to make that topic video as soon as possible. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.